Now, Wright Sports Management has its had its monthly maximum profit of $450,000 when it produced and sold 5,500 waste trimmers. Its fixed cost is $155,000. If the profit can be modeled by a quadratic function of x, the number of waste trimmers produced and sold each month, find this quadratic function. Well, basically, it had its maximum profit when it sold 5,500 waste trimmers, and that maximum profit was $450,000. That's our vertex. So we're going to start with the form y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So my profit, P of x, equals a times x minus 550,000 5,500 squared plus that maximum profit of 450,000. Now, we know that this fixed cost, that means even if we sold 0 things, we'd have to pay that $155,000. So let's fill in those values. We will have, we will still have to pay that. So that's going to be, in terms of a profit, that's a loss. So negative 155,000 equals my A times, remember we were selling 0 items here, so 0 minus 5,500 squared plus the 450,000. Multiplying that out, I will find that I still have this negative 155,000 equals, when I take, basically I'm taking negative 5,500 squaring it, I will get 30,250,000 times A plus the 450,000. Adding that 450,000 to both sides, I will have negative 605,000 equals my 30,250,000 times A. So when I divide by the 30 million, I find out that A will equal negative 0.02. And now I found my A value from up here that I didn't know. So my equation becomes P of x equals negative 0.02 times x minus, we can use the 550,000 squared plus the 450,000. And that can become my profit equation. Now here's an interesting situation. The points in this table lie on a parabola. Find the equation of the parabola. Interesting. Well, let's start graphing that. Got this 119. Well, I'm going to number the x-axis by 1s. And the y-axis maybe by 2. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, let's say 18. So negative 1, 19 is going to be approximately here. 0, 4, negative, or 1, negative 1, 2, 4. Oh, look how that's a parabola. So I must have a matching point up here. There. And I have my parabola shape. Oops. Didn't do very well drawing to that point. But I have my parabola shape. And here's my vertex. This then became my vertex. So I know that y equals a times x minus h, quantity squared, plus k. So that'd be minus 1. What I'm going to do is pick one of these other values and fill it in. So I could say my y, this is y, and this is x. 4 equals a times 2 minus 1, the quantity squared, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1 squared, so I'll have a minus 1 equals 4, and a equals 5. So my equation is y equals 5 times a minus 1, the quantity squared, minus 1. And this is the equation of this parabola. Now we want to find the vertex form of the equation, the quadratic general form. So here we have the general form, and we want to change it to y equals a times x minus h squared plus k, where hk is the vertex. Well, in this form, we know the vertex is negative b over 2a and f of negative b over 2a. And since it's the same parabola, these things have to be equal. So, finding negative b over 2a, negative of negative 8 will be 8 over 2 times 2. 8 over 4 is 2. And then finding f of negative b over 2a, or f of 2, I'll have 2 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2 plus 3. 2 squared is 4 times 8 is 8, minus 16 plus 3 be negative 8 plus 3, negative 5. So y equals, remember the a stays the same, 2 times x minus h, which was 2, the quantity squared, plus k, which is negative 5. And here's the vertex form of the equation from the general form.